must seize the opportunity that this government of national unity presents to restore these people's trust in our democracy and to realize the promise of dignity and equality that is contained in our Constitution. Now more than ever, we must demonstrate what the people of South Africa can achieve when we do work together. A society is made up of the choices that its people make every day. Time and again, in moments such as this, South Africans have chosen the path of progress. We have chosen peace, not violence. We have chosen unity, not division. We have chosen hope and never succumb to fear. We have risen above adversity and we have beaten the odds, even as democracy comes under threat across the globe, with the rise of authoritarianism and ethnic nationalism in new forms. Our democracy proudly remains firm, and that is what we should be proud of. Once again, South Africa has taken the lead and shown the way. People, many heads of state keep asking, you formed a government of national unity, quite a historic event in the history of your country. Please tell us how you did it. And we will tell the story of how we did it, because this has been quite unprecedented. 5 years from now, let us be able to say we have made a difference in the lives of our people. Let us ensure that we take our beautiful country closer to the society of which we have all dreamt of.